Today, I want to walk you through how to utilize EdPuzzles already created in your classroom. EdPuzzle has a plethora of resources that are already created that you can use and copy into your own classrooms. So I'm going to sign into EdPuzzle here, and then I'm going to select these popular channels. Here you can find videos that are from YouTube, Khan Academy, TED Talks, a number of different great resources. But if you select EdPuzzle, these are EdPuzzles that have already been created and shared by various teachers from around the country. So you can look for a video based on popularity, or you can type in your subject. So you can filter by subject, type in a topic that you're looking for. I'm actually going to start here by looking at a video from Jane Goodall. So you can see that there are questions that are already embedded in these videos, and you can copy and share those over. So if you want, you can edit the video and you can customize the video, adding even more questions or resources. And once you're finished, it will be saved into your EdPuzzle, and then you'll be able to press assign. You can, if you've already created classes, assign this straight into classes. It's linked to Google Classroom, so it's pretty easy to share that link that way. If you're on Canvas, you will select later and you'll actually assign this through Canvas. Once you've added this to a class and pressed assign, it will populate. You can post it great on Google Classroom, and students will be able to engage with the video. So again, don't reinvent the wheel. Utilize these great resources that have been shared by educators from around the country and globe. Also customize these EdPuzzles, adding questions or deleting questions, or you can create your own original videos. All assignments will be found in my classes, and then you'll be able to look at who's completed what work and be able to add grades to these assignments. Questions about EdPuzzle, see the EdPuzzle walkthrough video or look at the Google Slides that was created from PD last year.